Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm here today with a tip for Tinkercad users that want to collaborate. So let's get cracking. Friends, of course, I'm starting here on my website. I have got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad with a ton of amazing lessons. I also have the sweet built-in chat tool. Friends, you can hit that button, add your information, click send, and reach me almost instantly. Friends, the other thing I want to mention is the Tinkercad Community Discord. If you click that button, you get the invite. As you can tell, there are 216 members already, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Friends, I saw some users talking about a fun collaboration. I've got a tool you may want to use while you collaborate. So the first thing you need is a Google account. When you scroll down, you need to find Google Jamboards. These are super slick. I use them in the classroom. Down here, you can hit the plus sign to create a new one. When you make your new one, give it a name. I'm going to call this Fake Collab. You would be doing a real collab. And then what makes this magical, friends, is you can share it with other people and allow them to edit. So you could give anybody with the link access. So you can give anybody access to your Jamboard, but you probably want to make sure that they're people that you trust. I'm going to send one to myself. I'm going to make myself an editor, and I'm going to just say, yo. When you hit send, they will get a link. As you can see, I've already opened mine over here, and we are both collaborating on this Jamboard. So friends, watch this. If you want to set the background to a grid, say you're making a design, it shows up on both. If I say, hey, what if we did our design with shapes like this, it shows up on both screens. You can add notes about everything, and it instantly goes to both screens. You can totally work as a team with many pages. If you hit to the next page, you can have all kinds of things going on in the same collaborative Jamboard, all because you use the sweet share button and make other people editors. Friends, you can bring in backgrounds, you can add pictures. This is how you bring in the pictures of the projects. You can also copy and paste images, which is really cool, but it is so slick to be able to highlight, erase, mark, discuss, have all kinds of notes, bring in your images. Down here you can draw different shapes. If you hit the arrow, you can switch to other kinds of items. Like there's your arrow. You can totally work as a team. Your laser pointer lets you point. This is for the person in the group that wants to just annoy people. But the moral of the story is this is a fantastic way to work on a collaboration together. I do want to warn you, if you just keep hitting the arrow, it just keeps making other pages. If you need to delete pages, this is how you do it. If you ever wanted the same page twice, there's how you duplicate it. You'll be able to see each person's icon so you can tell which page they're on. If I click the down over here, you'll see this is where the roar is. You can see this is where HLModTech is. So as you can see, friends, it's a slick way to work together, shared whiteboard as you come up with a plan for whatever kind of cool collab you're doing. Alright friends, so there you have it. Super quick steps where you can use a Jamboard to collaborate. Friends, I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.